Good afternoon, and thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast for August 24th, 2017. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. Quite a bit to talk about in the world of weather, not so much for us. We're just dealing with scattered showers and thunderstorms, and maybe some lower rain chances as we head into the weekend and early next week. But the big story is Hurricane Harvey nearing the Texas coast. Here's the satellite imagery, the GOES 16 from the College of DuPage. You can see the hurricane has become much more organized today, moving off to the north and west towards the Texas coast, and is expected to make landfall as we head into the day tomorrow or on Saturday. Here's a close-up view. This is actually 1-minute data from the GOES 16 satellite, very high resolution. You can see the core getting better and better organized as we go throughout the day so far. The hurricane hunters have been in and out of this storm all day collecting data, and that gives us that gave the National Hurricane Season the reason to upgrade this to a hurricane and then further strengthen it now up to an 85-mile-per-hour hurricane. That's the Category 1. It's moving off to the north-northwest at 10 miles per hour. It's expected to become a major hurricane as we head into tomorrow morning. Landfall is expected sometime tomorrow night or early Saturday morning as a strong Category 3, potentially a Category 4 hurricane somewhere along the Texas coast, mainly between Corpus Christi and Port O'Connor is where the center line is, but really anywhere from near north of Brownsville all the way up to south of Houston could see a landfall from this hurricane. It's going to move inland but then stall. That stalling is a very bad sign because it could produce some very intense rainfall. Right now, the main threats from Harvey currently forecast winds of 125 miles per hour. That's borderline Category 3, Category 4 intensity. I would not be surprised to see this be a Category 4 when it makes landfall. Storm surge in some areas could be potentially up to 12 feet above ground. So if you live along the coast, chances are you're under a storm surge warning, which means life-threatening storm surge is expected within the next 36 hours. You need to move inland, but you need to move very far inland, maybe up towards Waco, maybe towards Dallas, because much of South Texas is going to get 12 to 20 inches of rain over a widespread area, and some areas could see over 30 inches of rain before all is said and done, because Harvey is just going to sit there over southern Texas. That's the current forecast. And you can see that on the spaghetti plots. It moves inland and then it just meanders around, which means you're going to get a long period of extremely heavy rainfall. That's why rainfall amounts could be 20 to 30 inches in some areas. Locally here in Northwest Florida, we're going to see increased surf. We're going to see a dangerous risk of rip currents. That's for certain. The uncertain part is as we head towards the later part of next week. Where does Harvey actually end up going after it moves out of Texas finally? Does it go off further to the east? Does it go off to the north and east? Either way, we may see some increased moisture as we head into next week, which could mean some increased rain chances across portions of Northwest Florida. Tonight, we're not dealing with rain chances, but you can see Harvey off to the bottom right or bottom left hand of your screen. It's moving off to the north and west towards Texas. Here, we're not expecting much in the way of rain, just partly cloudy skies, maybe some patchy fog inland. Lows in the lower to mid-70s inland, mid to upper 70s along the coast. Tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms, typical August weather. Highs in the lower to mid-90s with a 40% chance of rain overall. Temperatures will be a little bit above average for this time of year. So we take a look at your 7-day forecast. Again, I have the confidence levels noted below the rain chances. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're fairly confident that we're going to get scattered showers and thunderstorms pretty much each afternoon. Monday's a little iffy, but still a decent confidence level at a medium confidence that we're going to see isolated thunderstorms. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the models really don't have a good grasp on where Harvey's going to go, especially after Monday. That's why very low confidence in the long-term forecast, and it really ultimately depends on Harvey's track. If it continues to move off to the east and northeast, we'll see increased rain chances. If it dissipates completely over south central Texas, or it moves further west into, say, far southwestern Texas or Mexico, we could see lower rain chances. It really depends on what Harvey does. So expect the forecast to change, especially for next week, as we learn more about what Harvey is going to do. It ultimately will impact our weather, but overall, through this weekend, it's not a good beach weekend. High risk of rip currents and dangerous swells coming in as a result of Hurricane Harvey. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. Thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast. You can always find the latest National Hurricane Center advisory in English and in Spanish on my Facebook page. Check it out at facebook.com/CameronYoungWX, and I hope to see you again on this webcast. For right now, thank you for watching. Have a great day.